guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So I have another Albertsons haul for you guys. All right, so the Blue Buffalo canned dog food is priced for 2 for $4. We have $1 off two coupons, so it makes them 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. And then the cat foods are 4 for $5. Use that $1 coupon. You can actually use 2 of those $1 off 2 coupons, making them 4 for $3. So pretty good deal on the Blue Buffalo. Okay, so the Two Good yogurts, these are priced 2 for $3 or $1.50 each, and you can use that 50-cent off 2 coupons, so it makes them 2 for $2.50, or you can send 50-cent coupons to your Albertsons app. And then there's also an Ibotta offer to take 50 cents back when you buy 2. All right, so another deal on the Tyson's chicken, so it's priced for $5.99. Mickey, okay. It's priced for $5.99, and we still have that $1.50 off 1 coupon, so that drops it down to $4.49 for the bag of Tyson Anytime chicken, chicken strips. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the grilled ready chicken strips. Okay, so the Welch's juices, these are priced $2.49, a part of the 5 for $5, and in our Retail Me Not from this week, there's $1 off 1 coupon. So that drops it down to $1.49. So another juice deal is on the Mott's. So these are priced for $1.69, a part of the Fab 5 deals. So another really good deal is on the clam chowders. So they are 99 cents, a part of the Fab 5 deals. Regular price is $3.29. You're gonna get them for 99 cents. All right, so the McCormick seasonings, these are 49 cents, a part of the Fab 5 deals. Regular price is 2 for $3, and you get them for 49 cents. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into everything that I picked up. So first thing I picked up is the Mott's apple sauces. So this is the 4-pack. So they are on sale for $1.69, a part of the Fab 5 deals. And there's also a 75-cent cash back on 1 on Ibotta. So after your cash back, it makes this just 99 cents a box. So I went ahead and got the limit. I got 5 of them because Scarlett goes through applesauce every day. So also part of the Fab 5 deals is the McCormick seasoning. So these are 49 cents, a part of the Fab 5 deals. So I thought that was a really good deal. So I picked up 2 of them. And then the Progresso canned soups, these are priced for 99 cents, a part of the Fab 5 deals. So I went ahead and picked up 3 of those soups because that was a really good price for the soup in my opinion. So the next thing I picked up are the Silk almond milk. So I picked up a chocolate one, and then I picked up a regular almond milk, and these were $1.99, a part of the Fab 5 deal. So I thought that was an excellent price for some almond milk. And then I picked up some Philadelphia cream cheese. This was priced for $2.49, so it was the same price as the store brand. And then the So Delicious dairy-free yogurts, these are priced for $1.50 each, so great deal there. And then the Two Good yogurts, these are the 2 carb yogurts. These are priced for $1.50 each, and on your Albertsons app, you can send 50-cent off 1 coupons, and then there's a 50-cent back on Ibotta. So you buy 2 of them for $3, you can take $1 off with the app coupon, so now you're down to $2. So you get 2 of them for $1.50 or 75 cents. There's also a printable coupon I'll link below for you guys to use, because there's still one on coupons.com. And then the Belvita breakfast biscuits, these are buy one, get one free this week. So they are $3.99, and I had a 75-cent back on 2 Nabisco coupons. So it did work on this, and that made them $3.24 for the both of them. So I thought that was a really good deal. There's also a sale on cheese. So the Lucerne bag cheeses, these are $1.99, so great deal there. And then I picked up some of this Tyson grilled and ready chicken. So this was on sale for, let's see, $5.99, and then I have that $1.50 off 1 coupon, so that made this bag of chicken $4.49. Monopoly is back at Albertsons. So this is going to be valid for Albertsons, Safeway, and Vons. So this is going to be going on for the next 4 months. So I will have my P.O. box linked below. If you guys do not play the Monopoly game at Albertsons, Safeway, or Vons, feel free to send me your coupons because a lot of them have free items here, and I just collect all the items and then I just donate it to the church pantry, food pantry. So if you guys do not play the game, my mom and I play this. We have so much fun with it. So we would be happy to take your coupons. So speaking of mail call, I just wanted to give a few thank yous to a few letters that I did receive from my P.O. box. So Shannon, thank you so much for sending me those coupons. And Deborah from Wisconsin. And my girl Vicki Fellers. And we have another one from Deborah from Wisconsin. And then thank you so much, Becky, for sending me all of these handmade cards. These are amazing, Becky. So my daughter and I, we're going to be going to the local children's hospital and we're going to be dropping off these cards. So these handmade cards are fantastic, Becky. So we're dropping them off to the kids for Valentine's Day. So thank you so, so much for sending these to me. And these are absolutely beautiful. She made a really cute one. I went through these already. It was of a Hershey Kiss. Where is it? How stinking cute is this? How stinking cute is this? This is so cute. Did you do, I think you embossed this, I think. I have a bunch of embossing stuff. You know, I think, you know what I'm gonna do, Becky? I think I'm gonna send you my embossing kit because I never use any of my embossing things at all, and it looks like you embossed this. So I think I'm gonna send that your way. So thank you so much, Becky. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my little Albertsons haul. So I'm bringing this to you guys every single week because there was some interest in me doing Albertsons. So I'm gonna do it every week for you guys because your local grocery stores, you guys, can save you big on so many different things. So definitely take note of your circulars for your grocery stores. I always get mine the day before. I look up the ad the day before for Albertsons online. They have it posted on their website. So the grocery stores are a great way to save, and a lot of times you don't even need coupons. I mean, I got the Progresso soups for 99 cents and I didn't even need a coupon. So grocery stores are great for shopping your groceries, obviously, but if you really pay attention to the sales cycles, then you can get some really good deals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and make sure that you download Ibotta to take advantage of some of the cash backs. And then I'll go ahead and print that Too Good coupon for you guys so you can go ahead and print it. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and comment Wednesday if you are happy that it is Wednesday. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye. And if you guys are Bachelor watchers, let me know in the comments below who you think the final two are going to be. I think it's going to be Cassie, and I think it's going to be, I think her name's Kylan, and I think Hannah G will be the third. So that's my prediction. So I think that's going to be my final three. So comment below who you think the final three is going to be.